It's where nature presents itself generously and the Mediterranean's warmth meets the Atlantic's winds that HIT is located. With full respect for the environment and people, with state-of-the-art technology and through a meticulous and thoughtful process, we select the best tomatoes to transform into a variety of products full of flavour. Everything is controlled step by step, because it's in the smallest details that the essence is preserved. HIT encompasses 2 production sites, FIT and Italigro. Over the course of time, changes have naturally occurred in the group's structure, always intending to add excellence to agriculture and tomato production.
We initially made significant investments in modernizing so that we grew very fast. From the very beginning, we focused on the area of industrial products, but also the area of food service.
Since the mid-90s, Kagome, a Japanese multinational whose ambition has always been to produce products that are truthful to nature, has worked with FIT in its goal to produce the best tomato products.
We were looking for the best tomato all over the world. Then we found Portugal is one of the best tomato producers. And we started the relationship with tomato producers here.
So HIT Group was founded in 2007 and has been a Kagome subsidiary since 2012. Currently exporting nearly 95% of its production to global food service companies, it has led Kagome to acquire a majority stake in 2024, laying the groundwork for its transformation into Kagome Portugal.
That comes as a result of the mixture of the 2 cultures, the Portuguese culture, where we have great capacity for improvisation, and the Japanese enormous attention to quality and to quality systems.
But despite the global dimension, it is here in this land that everything begins. Before reaching the field, it is essential that the best varieties are previously and rigorously selected to obtain the best plant. All our plantlets are grown in certified nurseries, where great care is taken to control all the required conditions, so that everything can develop optimally. When ready, each small plant is transplanted into the fertile soil. An automated process, still with the utmost care and attention. Then, water and sun, and wait for time to do its work, delivering the fruit we so eagerly seek. We know that with ideal conditions, working alongside with our producers and the best agricultural practices, we can harvest the best sustainable sun-grown tomato.
And in Portugal, we have a very happy circumstance that the growing areas are not very far from the sea. And so we have a moderating climatic effect. It's never too hot, never too cold. They have a very good balance between the sugar content and the acidity, which gives them a sweeter, more aromatic taste than other growing areas.
First of all, the sweetness, and the second point is color. It's very red, good red, and these are the major points of Portuguese tomatoes' advantage.
If the land is the mother of our food, it's in our factories that we craft our products. It is here we receive the tomatoes, control and confirm their quality. We then wash, select and process, ensuring the maximum flavour, yield and minimum waste. Rigour is our motto and is always present in all stages. Permanent quality control is essential to ensure the entire process and guarantee the excellence of our products. After the crop is concluded, the paste is stored in aseptic drums and good packs. Some are destined to be sold directly to industrial clients, while others are transformed throughout the rest of the year for food service clients. Following our process optimization policy, we replicate the process with green tomatoes, previously considered food loss. We also intend to expand to other products, as we already do with sweet potatoes, exploring new business opportunities.
Tomato, sweet potato, apple, pear, and probably carrot. We can start something.
Food service is another core part of our business. We use each year's stored tomato paste to process our different food solutions. Here, the possibilities multiply. After being removed from the drums and good packs, a new path begins. Water is added to determine the final product's consistency and the various ingredients for the different recipes, previously defined and tested, always going through a meticulous quality control process. After being fully and duly processed, the final product is labelled and packaged. The scale is industrial, but the care is total and personalised. The job is only completed when the final product is delivered to our customers. And it all starts with the greatest of details. At the Agricenter nursery and laboratory, we refine and test our varieties through rigorous analysis to ensure that efficiency and quality go hand in hand. We also test and develop new agronomic solutions to enable the development of a more sustainable crop.
Agricenter can help the development of new varieties, so they are making the trials in the field to test the new varieties and different types of tomatoes.
With the best tomatoes, it's easier to perform alchemy. Through the hands of those who know best how to season, we create, test and discover new textures and flavours. We also like to be challenged for tailor-made recipes with, of course, the best taste of nature. For us, the future is planned and set today as we search for more efficient, productive and sustainable technologies. In 2024, we invested in the installation of a new production unit that operates almost exclusively on electricity, thus reducing our carbon footprint.
With new Apollo, of course, with the latest technology of machine, we can save the energy because we use a lot of steams. And of course, we can increase the capacity and we have more flexibility.
True to the principles of sustainability and circularity, we recycle and transform the excess, harness the sun to produce energy, and treat our waters to leave no trace. Nothing is left to chance and neglect. In the end, testing and enjoying the result of the team's perseverance and collective effort is always a moment of satisfaction that feels and tastes good. A moment we also share with our customers.
We get comments from our customers saying, we like to buy from you because what you deliver is exactly what you say it is.
One of the most important issues we really looking for is make people's life longer and healthier. Only long is not enough, but you should be healthy. And we invest also for their happiness.
Ultimately, HIT's purpose is to work with nature's gifts to develop high-quality, healthy and sustainable food solutions while building a positive impact legacy in the industry, our people and the planet. A true declaration of love to nature's flavours.